In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Crypto.com. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or simply looking to streamline your trading experience, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. We'll be covering everything from entering the site to making your first transactions, all on the Crypto.com platform. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Crypto.com homepage. Simply type Crypto.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. This is where you'll begin your journey into buying and selling cryptocurrency. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're signed into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account providing any necessary information and ensuring you're set up for secure trading. Once you're ready, look for the option to make a purchase. On the homepage, you'll find a button that says Buy. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter the amount of money you wish to spend on cryptocurrency. Take a moment to consider the amount that you're comfortable investing, keeping in mind your personal financial goals and limits. After entering your desired amount, it's time to choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Crypto.com offers a variety of options from well-known coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known alternatives. Do a bit of research if you're unsure, or stick with a currency you're familiar with for a more confident start. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and select your chosen cryptocurrency from the options provided. Now, let's move on to selling your cryptocurrency. Head back to the main hub or dashboard and find the option that says Sell. Clicking this will begin the process of selling your cryptocurrency assets. Again, you'll be prompted to choose which type of crypto you wish to sell. If you have multiple currencies in your portfolio, think about which holdings you want to liquidate, perhaps based on market conditions or your financial needs at the moment. When you choose the cryptocurrency to sell, follow the prompts and complete the transaction. Keep an eye on any fees involved in these transactions. They can add up, so factor them into your buying and selling decisions. In conclusion, buying and selling cryptocurrency on Crypto.com is a straightforward, user-friendly process. By navigating to the right places on the platform, entering the appropriate details, and making informed decisions on your cryptocurrencies, you can seamlessly manage your digital assets. Remember, always keep an eye on your investment strategy and stay informed about market trends to maximize your trading experience. Happy trading!